Well, officially, this is the blizzard of 2011. It's 7 a.m. And if you can tell, we have had some serious drifts this morning or overnight. Officially, we got 16, almost 17 inches of snow. We're still experiencing more and more snow. As you can see, that's the street and our driveway. And right across the street, and right there is our neighbor's house. And then this is our driveway. So, anyway, I will walk around so you can see our own drift in front door. You can barely see anything. And then we have some serious drifts. Alright, we gotta start shoveling.